malalaking pribadong korporasyon na napapabilang sa industriya ng enerhiya at food and beverage ang ginawaran ng Official Seal of Approval ng Department of Environment and Natural Resources o DENR. Kabilang mga naturang kumpanya sa napatunayang sumusunod sa pinakamataas na environmental standards ng ahensya. Taong 2009, nagsimula ng DENR ang naturang programa kung saan naabot na sa 75 kumpanya ang ginawaran nito ng naturang Seal of Approval.
The main purpose of this program is to recognize those industries that are not only performing well but performing beyond the compliance of the government regulations. It involves all environmental regulations including air, like for example yung kanilang emissions, in terms of clean water, kanilang mga effluents, and then solid waste management, if they have the green building, all environmental aspects are considered in this program.